What is up, everybody? It's Limited Snipers back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am joined by my friend DrWatches, and today we're going to be doing some jailbreak robberies because, well, one, nobody else is really online on jailbreak, and two, I want to get robbing. So let's first start off with this place here. I'm waiting on you, so I can. Well, it's your fault that it's lagging. So, guys, if you want to join, God darn flipping mouse. If you guys want to join the family, please do. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications to be. Wait for me, dude. You have to wait for me because I'm getting like 5K. So, do you want me to just go with the 4K or the 5K? Go 5K? I'm gonna go 5K. They just regenerated, so. Alright guys, as I was saying, please subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. And shoot, dude, you gotta wait for me because I'm about to die. But, it's those flipping lasers, dude. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much, guys, for the, well, let's say 114 subscribers. We're going to be getting to 115 or 120. If we hit 120, I might do a live stream. I'm not sure. I might even do a video, based on it. It's up to the mood that I'm in. And, also, where are you, dude? Well, that's because you already started without me, plus you had 2K. I'm getting more money than you. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. If I move any further, I'm gonna die again. Guys, if you wanna friend me on, there's my Discord user. That's my Discord if you wanna friend me. You kinda have to find me, but besides the point. I might be doing another video. I might even do a reaction video. I was gonna do one last night, but my mobile upload did not go through for some reason. I do not technically know why, but I'm gonna, after. Will you wait a goddamn second? Well, you try robbing a jewelry store at half health. Okay, so, guys, please make sure to subscribe, turn on, you gotta open the door for me, because I'm coming now. But, you guys, yeah, I'm almost out of jewelry store, there we go. So, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna rob this place for 5,000 real quick. Well, wait a goddamn second, because this thing's horrible at fucking steering. This fucking dune buggy's horrible! Esmil and, Bad CC, you need to update your steering on this dune buggy. I mean, seriously, it's horrible at steering. Just a personal opinion, but. Let's go! Okay, let's go. Shit, you already robbed it? You asshole. You already robbed it? Why did you already rob it? How much did you flip and get? I'm getting 3K, so. See if you can get another, 1,000. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't because you're pointless. No. So, so guys, if you wanna subscribe, make sure. DrWatches, would you also like to say anything to our fans? Would you like to say anything?
Subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications.
Yes, subscribe to your channel, turn on post notifications. God dang it! Will you wait for me, dude? I know you had the flipping key card, but jeez. Okay, guys, so I'm at 33 cash. This video is just to get it out there because we're with DrWatches, so, I'm gonna go rob a few other places. I'll rob the gas station then. And everybody can get the donut car, dude.
Don't go on the train, because the train needs
Key, yeah.
because you can break the vault and it'll be that little copper crown thing.
Yeah, well.
Oh, and by the way, the owner for this needs to get the copper crown.
Yeah, no. Okay, so I already robbed the gas station. How did you rob the gas station? Well, you could have been more specific that time. Sorry guys, they just also woke up, so bear with me here. I also just woke up. Woke up. Right. Now I have a fudge. Are you? Oh my god, I gotta buy 1,000 for this pink texture stuff. I don't know why. There we go. I got a donut car. I got a smoothie. I got my smoothie. Sorry, I heard that from a video. Shout out to Collins Key. Shout out to Collins Key because he's an awesome YouTuber. Yes. And shout out to Mr. Pangy. Subscribe or follow him on Twitch. And all his. And, well, Mr. Pangy's channel is deleted though. So, yeah, his channel was like deleted and stuff because one of his fans like poured out like. Whoa, where do you. Whoa, boy. No, you don't.
Oh wow, your computer is false.
What? No, it's not. What? Oh, dang, dude. You're getting like a thing for your recording? Dang. Dang, bro. And I thought I was bad. Dude, you're getting more bad notifications than I am. Like, you have to delete recording? Dang, dude. I only record for about 9 minutes, and 'cause you have to, 'cause like, if it's telling you that, that means you have to delete a recording. Why are people messaging me when I'm flipping recording?
It's my screenshots, that's why. My screenshots.
Yeah, your screenshots. Okay. No. Yeah, you had so many last night that someone said delete them all. Hey, I got a joke for you. If a dog's tail falls off, where does it go to get a new one? The retail store. No, get it? He gets a reattachable tail. Okay, try and make me laugh. Try and make me laugh. Come up with a joke.
How do you call a cow with no legs?
I don't know, how do you?
Ground beef.
Wow. Kind
Oh
of.
my god, I delete more files?
You're just like, fuck this. And guys, that's Self. I am a kid-friendly channel. I'm just in my humor mood, so, I wish you guys could join us. I do have an MM2 private, server, but I will not leak that out. No, just no. This will be the end of the video, guys. Sorry it was really short or long. We will, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and, also comment down below what you think I should do for another video, guys. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye.